Hello everyone, my name is Zhou.
Hello everyone, my name is Bowen.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Zhou.
Hello, and welcome over the next 18 minutes. We're going to dive deep into the world of artificial intelligence. It's a topic that is no longer futuristic. It's here shaping our education, our career path, and our very society. We'll explore its problems, its appeals, and the profound questions it raised for our generation. To start, let's set the stage. Kevin, from a technological standpoint, what is the core excitement around modern AI and that goes beyond the type?
Thanks, you. The core excitement beyond as a help is the shift from programming in integrate to learn the integrate. Early software could only do what we explicitly coded it to do, but modern AI, especially drop learning, can learn practical from a massive amount of data. This is relatively rare. It's why we now have something that can detect distance from melding self with superhuman access. Modern complex silicon change software or cracking new practical substitutes for drugs. It's a tool for discover not just emotion. We are essentially giving machines the ability to apply human-like reasons in certain domains.
That ability to approximate human reasons is precisely where my coin lies, Kevin. When we outsource decision making to these statistical models, we face a crisis of transparency and accountability. If an AI rejects a long application, can it explain its reason in a way a human can understand? Often not. It's a black box. This lack of explainability is a fundamental problem for justice and fairness. Furthermore, as AI get better at generating human, like text and art, we are facing an epistemic crisis. How do we know what's true? How do we evolve human creativity when a machine can produce a sonnet or a symphony in seconds? It challenges the very definition of human uniqueness.
And Bowen, that crisis of value directly impacts the economic and political structures I'm studying. We're looking at potential for massive structural unemployment, but not just for blue-collar jobs. AI is coming for connective labor. This could lead to unprecedented demand, wealth inequality if the benefits of AI productivity are captured online by a small owner class. Do we need to radically rethink our social contracts? Concepts like universal basic income are no longer significant. They are becoming serious policy proposals. The political power of those who control the most powerful AIs is also a terrifying prospect, potentially creating new forms of digital authoritarian.
Really, you've raised the critical point about jobs. Is major a scientist for students? Kevin, this is anxiety justified. Are we studying for jobs and one exit?
The anxiety is understandable, but I believe this is misdirected. History shows that technology transforms jobs, returns then primarily excellently them. Yes, AI will automate many tasks. It's especially redundant ones, but it will also contractually early new rules. AI trials that expandable expels human margins who can bridge the gap between teach and business. The key is adaptable. The job market will raise skills that AI lacks. Corrected thinking, compact problem slowing, extremely and X-mode integers. We shouldn't feel being replaced by AI. We should feel being supers by another human who knows how to leverage AI better than we do.
I appreciate that optimism, Kevin, but the transition period could be brutal and widen. The gap between the skilled and unskilled is not just about individual adaptability. Is about our system ability to cope. Our education system is often slow to change. How do we retrain minimums and from a skeptical perspective, nations that lead in AI development will have a significant strategic advantage, potentially recepting global power dynamics. This isn't just an individual challenge, it's a national and global one.
Bowen, let's dive deeper into the ethical landscape you mentioned. Beyond base and creativity, what are the ethical demands does AI present to our generation?
There are so many. One major one is surveillance and erosion of privacy. AI power is used often with biased outcomes, threatening individual freedom. Then there is the question of autonomy and manipulation. If AI algorithm can micro-target us with content and ADS based on our deep sites, factual profiles, do we truly have free will? Our choice can be subtly shaped by machines and looking further. If we always subtly and looking for, if we approach artificial generate intelligence and AI extender, what right would it have? How would we control something smart than our servers? These are not just a technological problem. They are philosophical ones that we are ill prepared to answer.
And those are actually the challenges my food is starting to take service. Bowen, we are exploring new branches of computer science like AI, self-teach, and element research. The goal is to ensure that AI extend and are robust, reliable, and their goals are integrated with human values. It's about building AI that is not just powerful, but also beneficial and controllable. Change for expand ability are being carried to prepare into the black box. So we are not building to these issues. There's a growing global effort to take them head on.
It's clear that this requires the multidisciplinary approach. So what should we as students be doing now? What should our education change?
I believe AI literacy should be as fundamental as math or literacy. Itself, every student, regardless of their major, needs to understand how AI works, its potential and its limitations for policy makers and economists like me. This is non-negotiable to create sensible regulations.
Absolutely. We need to integrate into the STEAM curriculum and technology into the humanity. Curriculum it can't be too spread cultural anymore. As students, we must be proactive, take classes outside our comfort zones, attend talks, and have these varied discussions. We need to pressure our institutions and governments to develop robust regulatory frameworks that protect human well-being over unchecked profit or power.
I completely agree. The builders of AI need to be in constant conversations with the pushers, the economists, and the artists as a student counter. This discussion is reminding me that writing actual code isn't enough. I have a responsibility to consider the social impact of what I build. We should be working on projects that address these challenges, like building tools to delete, buy, or to weave answer the culture.
So to conclude, our discussion painted a picture of AI is a transformative force and incredible power. A double-edged sword, it holds the potential to solve humanity's greatest challenge, but also exacerbates the deepest fault. The key of takeaway is the future of AI is not predetermined. It won't be shaped by technology alone, but by the choice we make as future engineers, policymakers, artists, and informed citizens. It demands from us not just technological skills, but wisdom, empathy, and fierce commitment to shaping a future where AI serves humanity and not the other way around. Thank you, Kevin, Bowen, and Rudy. This is incredibly thoughtful and insightful conversation. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.